Hey y'all, so today we just unboxed these custom fit leather seat covers that the brand sent over for free so we could try them out. They are for the Ford Bronco 4-door and I'm really impressed with how well they went on and how great they look. They're made to fit perfectly on a 2021 to 2025 Bronco model, the version without the rear armrest with the cup holder. So they go on like they were factory installed. The material is super nice and it's such a soft leather that looks and feels really high end. And plus, the best thing that we love is that they're waterproof and so easy to wipe clean, which is a lifesaver if you spill coffee or if you have pets riding along all the time like we do. We also like that they're designed with safety in mind so they don't block airbags or any seatbelt buckles. There are even some pockets on the back of the front seats, which is a really handy bonus if you have kids traveling and want to stuff stuff in there. They do come with a step-by-step manual, and even though it might take about 30 to 40 minutes to fit them properly, it looks like they'll stay snug. They even have the covers for the headrest as well, and the console cover in the front between the two front seats. They really thought of everything with these. They're definitely a nice upgrade if you want to protect your seat and give your Bronco a more luxurious feel. They're definitely going to protect our seats for a long time. We love them. We hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.